Good morning, every lovely. It is Witchy Trista here with a card pull from Izzy Ivy's Beyond Lemuria Oracle Cards. It's a beautiful deck. It's available on Amazon if you like it. And the card that popped out of the deck, I didn't choose it, it chose us today, is The Sound of the Universe. And this card pertains to life-changing experiences, glimpsing the great mystery, significant timing, pivotal moments, music, transcending mundane reality, and it is the tuning fork of universal consciousness. Having your world shaken up even a little can invite a deeper glimpse of the great mystery of your life. There are myriad ways to peek behind the veil of the mundane world. Ecstatic dance, spiritual exploration, and intuitive creative pursuits are just a few. Aim to naturally imbue this awareness in your everyday existence so you can avoid the sudden wake-up calls. Wake up to the hidden music, harmony, and wonder of your multi-dimensional world. And there you have it. I hope this resonates with you, and I hope even more that you have an amazing Sunday. Thanks for being here.